In today's video, I'm going to show you how I created this faceless trivia quiz TikTok page using artificial intelligence. How some of these pages are making hundreds and thousands of dollars every single month using the TikTok Creativity Program. I understand that the TikTok Creativity Program is not available in every single country. So therefore, in today's video, we're not going to solely be relying on this. If you are eligible for the TikTok Creativity Program, that's a fantastic bonus, and I definitely recommend make use of it in what I'm going to teach you in today's video. You can replicate these videos onto Facebook Reels, onto Instagram Reels, and onto YouTube, where you can also get paid via ad revenue, affiliate commissions, sponsorship deals, merchandise, a mentorship or a private membership area, funnels, email marketing, affiliate marketing. There are endless ways that you can monetize content in today's world and era. This tool has taken the world by surprise. ChatGPT, created by Elon Musk, is one of the most trending topics on YouTube right now in this specific niche. And the pure reason being is because of the type of content and responses an AI can give you almost feels human and out of this world. We can use this to our advantage to coming up with hundreds of content ideas for our social media pages to never run out of content ideas and content pieces. The tutorial that you're watching right now is going to take ChatGPT, one or two other tools, and put together an automated trivia question TikTok page. And the reason why we're specifically focusing on trivia questions is because this type of content is almost like a hack. People engage with your videos all the time, and it becomes this snowball and ripple effect in virality. Let me show you a few examples. This page over here that I spoke about in a previous video on my channel is getting millions of views posting simple trivia questions on their page. This page over here is also a better example. Their most viral video got over 20.5 million views and over $300 from the TikTok Creativity Program, and who knows what else they're using to monetize their page. And it's a simple question: what is the longest river in the world? A, B, C, or D? If I come over to all of the other videos, what is the chemical symbol for gold? A, B, C, or D? And the reason these types of videos are getting so many views, likes, comments, shares, and engagement, which is ultimately the prime metric that the social media algorithms focus on in order for them to choose a video that goes viral. Have a look at some of the questions over here. Some people feel offended, bro making me feel smart, American level quiz, hardest exam in the USA. And if I scroll down, some people are actually answering these questions. Common knowledge test, AU, which is obviously number C, which is letter C, which is the answer in this case. Some people saying I got them right all the way. Your video is naturally causing a controversial discussion in the comments where some people are fighting out each other in deciding what's right or wrong. Some people believe they know the answers, some don't. And then those people go and comment on those other comments saying, no, you're wrong, you're dumb, or whatever it is. And this is a real sweet spot in creating controversial content that will get a lot of discussion and a lot of engagement. Have you ever seen those would you rather videos, take the red pill or take the blue pill? And there's a beautiful example of a YouTube channel that is doing something similar. They're asking simple trivia A or B questions. So for example, would you rather fight your BFF, your best friend, for $100,000, or would you decline the offer? And this type of video got over 3.2 million views, over 1,200 comments, and over 150 shares. And I quickly did some research on this YouTube channel. I went over to the channel, came over to the shorts page, and they are accumulating well over 200,000 views on average per video. Some are blowing up to over 1 million, 4.4 million, 960K, 3.2 million, and it's super simple videos. And they've only posted 26 videos on their channel, and they're already at 450,000 subscribers. And believe it or not, in their bio, they're promoting an affiliate link called 11labs.io, which is a generative voice AI. And every time they refer someone to this website, they get a commission per sale. And on these types of views, regardless of ad revenue, which I quickly also searched up on Social Blade, is anywhere between 4.4 and 15K views a month. And from my experience as a YouTuber and the specific niche that they're in, it's going to be more towards the lower side. So I would say they're anywhere between $2,000 and $4,000 a month in just ad revenue alone by posting these simple videos. And if you come over to their channel and I click on their first ever video, I can see from the oldest comment that was posted 6 months ago, this video is only 6.5 months old. Meaning this YouTube channel only started posting content 6 months ago, and they're already at 500,000 subscribers. And this is all created using Canva, AI topic ideas generated from ChatGPT, and they've built up the perfect example of somebody who's succeeding this in a very fast amount of time. So how exactly do we go and create these types of videos? Well, it's super simple. The first step that you're going to go and do is come over to chat.openai.com, which is ChatGPT's homepage, on which looks similar to like a WhatsApp chat, where you can type them messages, send them prompts, and ChatGPT will answer you. And as simple as this, you want to go and search the following. Give me 10 general knowledge quiz questions. Click on send and take a look at this. Here are 10 general knowledge quiz questions for you. What is the capital city of Australia? Now, ultimately, we want the example of A, B, C, D questions. So we can go and reprompt our same questions and just go and type here. Give me 10 A, B, C, or D general knowledge quiz questions. Here are 10 multiple choice general knowledge quiz questions. What is the capital of France? A, B, C, or D? Who is the author of To Kill a Mockingbird? A, B, C, or D? And tons over here. And this is exactly what we're looking for. Now, all we need to go and learn is how to go and use the second AI tool that I'm going to introduce to you just in a bit, and how to go and put these prompts into actual engaging videos for TikTok and YouTube Shorts and whatever other platform you want to use. If you want more ideas, you can just go and type here. Give me another 10. And right over here, I've now generated over 20 different quiz question ideas that we can separate into 20 different content videos for the next 20 days. So in a matter of, I would count 20 seconds in typing to ChatGPT, I've now got content for the next 20 days if I'm going to be posting every single day. Step number 3 is to go and build our TikTok page and to go and produce these quiz questions into these types of videos. We need to first come up with our TikTok page name. Simply type on ChatGPT, give me a TikTok page name idea for trivia questions. Click on send. How about Quizzy Fact Zone? That's a really cool one. Another 5. Click on send. Sure, here are 5 more ideas. Trivia Track, Brainy Bits Quiz, Quizzical Quest, Fact Finder Frenzy, Trivia Time Tales. Beautiful ideas that you can now go and copy and paste and use on your TikTok page name. To go and get a logo, also very simple. We want to find something that's brainy. So we can come over to canva.com, go and search up logo on the search bar. We can just use logo at 500 by 500. Click on this option over here. Really nice example already. On the left-hand side, there will be a prompt where we can go and search for elements once this loads. Right over here, click on elements, go and search brain. And let's go and use, for example, perhaps this one over here. We can remove this picture, remove this logo, centerize this, and we can now go and come back to ChatGPT and let's use Quizzical Quest. Sounds quite cool. All right, we can go and paste that over here. Make sure that's long enough. Smaller that a little bit, make sure our picture's centered, and there we go. We have a beautiful logo that you can click on share, download, and download as a PNG to go and post on the logo of your TikTok page as well as your YouTube channel. You want to keep your brand the same across all platforms. Now that we have our pages ready to go and post, we need to go and create our trivia question videos. Again, really easy. Come back to Canva on the homepage or the templates page at just canva.com. The free version of Canva is more than fine. I'm going to be using the pro version, which costs about $15 a month. But in this example, the free version is more than fine as well. Come back to the homepage. On the search bar, you want to go and search for mobile video, specifically because it needs to be in this resolution of 1080 by 1920px, which stands for pixels, which is the required resolution for portrait TikTok videos and portrait short videos. Click on this option. On the left-hand side, under the design option, go and search up quiz. And over here, you will see various different quiz templates that we can use for our video. Let's go and use the example of this one over here. It's quite cool. Right, we can just click on the plus sign and it will add it to our page. We can change this @ sign just to our own branding, which again, Quizzical Quest. Double click on your text and just paste that over here and you can add the @ sign. To simply add our questions, come back to ChatGPT. Let's go and use this one over here. In which year did World War II end? Go and paste your question here under the text. Oops, I just misclicked that. There we go. Number A would be 1943. B, we can put the right answer, which would be 1945. C, we can put another wrong answer, which we can just say here 1950. Just to theme this quiz page more towards our theme of the question, which is in which year did World War II end, we want to find something that's got to do with history. So we can come again over to elements and just go and type war or history. Let's have a look and see what comes up. For example, we can add this picture over here of the soldier busy standing. We can put him on the right-hand side over there. Let's see what else we can go and find. Maybe this picture over here of these like tanks in battle. We can drag this over the whole image. We can then click on the position option, click on send to back. And just like that, we now have a nicely themed World War II trivia question for the day. I'm about to explain to you a trick that you can use to maximize your ad revenue with your short videos and also with your TikTok creativity program. Videos that are longer than 1 minute long on TikTok earn substantially way more per 1,000 views per video. It can be anywhere between an extra 75 cents to $2 RPM per 1,000 views. So in order to go and make this video 1 minute long, you will see over here each default slide of this question trivia is 5 seconds long. So in order to calculate this to be 60 seconds, we need to go and add it 12 times. So we can go and click on the 3 buttons, click on duplicate, and you really want to do this for 12 times. And you'll see over here on the top right hand side, the length of our video is now 20 seconds. So we're nearly there. If I duplicate again, 25 seconds, and again, and again, until we get to 60 seconds. We're now at 60 seconds long. The next thing we can go and do is add our voiceover of the voice that's going to ask your audience in the video, in which year did World War II end? On the left-hand side of Canva, click on apps, click on the search bar and just go and search voiceover, click on enter, click on the first option over here, and you simply want to go and type in which year did World War II end? A, B, C, or D. Click on generate audio, and this audio will automatically add to your video track. All right, that audio is just a little bit too far forward. We can move it back a little bit. We can restart this. A little bit more.
In which year did World War II end? A B, C, or D?
A B, C, or D. All right. This sounds quite funny. I'm just going to leave it like that. In which year did World War II end? Once this is complete, our video is now ready. All I recommend is when you're uploading this video to TikTok, is just go and use some already viral or trending songs as a softer background music on that video. Viral music, viral audios on your TikTok content does play a certain amount to a degree of a role that does push your videos out to more people on the For You page. Same thing with YouTube Shorts and Instagram Reels. We can then go and click on share on the top right hand side, click on download, click on MP4 video, and click on download, and this will now be ready to go and post on your TikTok page. The next step that you need to learn is how to go and actually monetize this content. Well, if you're going to be posting on YouTube, there is a good chance that you will get to the 4,000 watch hour and 1,000 subscriber requirement in order to get monetized. And also, if the TikTok creativity program is eligible for you in your country, you can go and use those 2 sources already just of ad revenue to make money off your content. But let's say in the example, you don't have any of those options, you're not monetized yet, and you're not patient enough, you want to make money from day one, or the TikTok creativity program is not available in your country yet. The number 1 affiliate program that I recommend for this type of content is actually just use the Canva affiliate program, which you can go and search on Google. Click on About Canva's affiliate marketing program. It will open up a new page, and you can see over here, get more information and apply here at the bottom of this page. And as I open up this page, you'll see you will only be able to apply for the Canva affiliate program on March 28th, which is basically a week and a bit from now. So you'll have to be a bit patient until they reopen this affiliate program. It could be due to anything. It could be due to that they're updating their dashboard or they've got maintenance on the back end, which is completely fine. Another example we can go and use is 11 Labs affiliate program, by just going to go and search that into Google, which is very similar to Canva, except this is an AI tool that will generate automatic captions, help you a lot in producing your content through voiceovers, done for you templates, very much similar to Canva. And this is what their affiliate program is going to pay. For a 10-person creator plan for 1 year, you're going to get paid 10 times $22 times 12, which you will get paid $580 commission, which is plus minus 30% on the sale. If you refer 20 people to the pro version for a 1 year option, you're going to make 20 people times 99 times 12 is a total sale of $23,000. You're going to get a commission of $5,227 from that. So the commission is really solid. So This is a great target for you to go and try and achieve. On just 20 people, you can get paid a max commission of $5,200. And once you're at the stage where you're getting these types of views, it's not difficult to refer people to these types of programs. You can simply add at the end of, or a small text at the bottom of your Canva videos, just like this over here. We can change this text to content. We can go and make this in white text just to make it visible. And all you want to do is you want to keep this relatively small at the bottom of the page, just so that it's briefly there, just to entice people that see your videos on the For You page. They know exactly where to go and create this type of content, and that will refer them to this affiliate program. So this is a fantastic example on how you can monetize this type of content without being a part of the affiliate program or without being monetized on YouTube yet. Now, if you want to get far more in-depth ways, I'm talking about creating your own funnels, collecting leads for affiliate marketing, building your own checkout pages, building your own membership areas, building your own online products that you can sell through your content. I'm going to give you an entire free course here on YouTube for you guys to learn from. Up here on the screen above me, you will see a playlist called Making Money on TikTok 2024, which doesn't only focus on TikTok, but it focuses on, in general, short video content. I recommend go and save this playlist to your watch later if you can't watch it now. Otherwise, if you click on this playlist over here, I will see you over there on the inside.